To effectively use a business credit card, it's essential to utilize it for business-related expenses, such as employee payroll, advertising, travel, inventory, and software subscriptions. However, if not used properly, a business credit card can become a significant burden. To use it wisely, it's crucial to start by deciding who will receive the card, as issuing cards to every employee can lead to a loss of control over credit card spending. By limiting the number of cards issued, you can gain a clearer picture of your business's financial situation and keep track of your cash flow. Additionally, making timely payments is vital, as it can prevent high interest rates from financially straining the business. It's also important to avoid misusing the business credit card, such as using it for personal expenses, as this can lead to the card issuer canceling the card. By following these guidelines, you can use a business credit card to your advantage and maintain a healthy financial situation for your business.